Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Chavan, and today we are going to discuss the topic that is Arraylist in Java. So let's start. Arraylist is a part of the Java collection framework, and it is the class of java.util package. It provides us a dynamic array in Java, though it may be slower than the standard array, but can be helpful in programs where lots of manipulation in array is required. The class is found in java.util package. The main advantages of array is if we declare an array, then it's needed to mention the size, but in array list we doesn't need to mention the size. If you want to mention the size, you can do it also. So we can add or remove elements anytime, so it is more flexible than the traditional array. So the array list in Java can have duplicate elements also. It implements the list interface, so we can use all the methods of list interface here. So the Arraylist also maintain the insertion order internally. It inherits the abstract list class and implements the list interface. So the next point is important point about the Java Arraylist. So the Java Arraylist class can contain duplicates element also. Java Arraylist class maintain the insertion order, and Java Arraylist class is non-synchronized. Java Arraylist allow the random access to any element because the array works on a index basis. In array list, manipulation is a little bit slower than the linked list in Java, because a lot of shifting needs to require if any element is removed from the array list. So we cannot create an array list of the primitive data type. In such a case, we need to use the wrapper class of respective primitive type, such as for int type we need to use the integer, for char we need to use the character, same in the case of float also. So the Java array list gets initialized by the size. The size is dynamic in the array list, which varies according to the elements getting added or removed from the list. So the next point is hierarchy of Java array list. The Java Arraylist class extends the abstract list class, which implements the list interface. The list interface extends the collection and iterable interface in hierarchical order. So that was the hierarchy of Arraylist. So the next point is constructor in Arraylist. There are three types of constructor of Arraylist. First one is Arraylist without any parameter. It is used to build an empty arraylist. And the second one is Arraylist with parameter collection less than question mark extend e, which is greater than c. It is used to build an arraylist which is initialized with elements of the collection c. So the next constructor is Arraylist with int capacity. It is used to build an arraylist that has specified initial capacity. So the methods present in arraylist, there are several methods present in arraylist. Here we are going to discuss some of them. So the first method is void add. The void add method is used to add all elements at specified position. The next method is void clear, which is used to remove the all elements from the list. And the next method is void ensure capacity. This method is used to enhance the capacity of our array list. So the next method is eget. It is used to fetch the element from a particular position which is specified. So the next method is object clone. Object clone method is used to return the shallow copy of array list. So the next method is boolean contains. This method returns the true value if array list contains a specified element. So the next method is remove. It remove the specified element from the specified index. So that was about the array list in Java. Thank you.